Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brace yourselves. What if I told you that the world of AI has just taken a leap so significant it might just blow your mind? I'm talking about GPT-5, Instagram AI labels, YouTube's channel changes, and so much more. Buckle up because we're about to dive into some earth-shattering updates. 1. OpenAI has recently filed a trademark for GPT-5 for downloadable computer software for the artificial production of human speech and text, downloadable computer software for natural language processing, generation understanding and analysis too. But wait, there's more. OpenAI isn't just teasing us with the future, they're improving the present too. At the beginning of a new chat, you'll now see examples to help you get started. ChatGPT now suggests relevant ways to continue your conversation. When starting a new chat as a Plus user, ChatGPT will remember your previously selected model. No more defaulting back to GPT 3.5. You can now ask ChatGPT to analyze data and generate insights across multiple files. This is available with the Code Interpreter Beta for all Plus users. You'll no longer be logged out every 2 weeks. When you do need to log in, you'll be greeted with a much more welcoming page. Work faster with shortcuts like Ctrl+ Shift+ to copy last code block. Try Ctrl+ to see the complete list. 3. Instagram is working on labels for AI-generated content. App researcher Alessandro Paluzzi, who frequently discovers new Instagram features before they're officially announced, has posted a screenshot of a page in the Instagram app that reads, "The creator or Meta said that this content was created or edited with AI." It's unclear exactly how automated Instagram's labeling system will be, and to what extent it will rely on users disclosing when AI has been used to create or edit an image. YouTube is starting to test changes to creator channel pages, where tabs like playlists won't be shown in cases where those tabs have no content. They're also testing improved access to the information from the About and Channels tabs by updating the look and feel of the channel page. They're testing this with a limited number of viewers to start. They're starting to test AI auto-generated summaries on YouTube so that it's easier for you to read a quick summary about a video and decide whether it's the right fit for you. They're running an experiment that enables mobile viewers to create shorts featuring comments posted on videos they're watching. In February, it was reported that OpenAI had purchased the domain AI.com and redirected it to the ChatGPT web interface. However, it now seems that Elon Musk has taken over the domain or someone has done it on his behalf. AI.com now redirects to XAI. Two-letter AI.com domains are rare and expensive. Stackoverflow has released OverflowAI that are designed to help developers solve problems faster and more easily. If a developer is working on a new feature for their app, but they are stuck on a particular problem, they can use OverflowAI to ask a question in a chat-like way, and OverflowAI will automatically summarize the most relevant answers. They can also use OverflowAI to generate code snippets in their language. Now
Our vision for the future of
are able to explore new compositions without having to play a single note on an instrument. Meta has recently introduced AudioCraft, generative AI tool for audio and music. AudioCraft lets you easily generate high-quality audio and music from text. They're open-sourcing MusicGen, AudioGen, and Encodec for research purposes to help advance the field of AI-generated audio. MusicGen generates music from text prompts, while AudioGen, which was trained in public sound effects, generates audio from text prompts. Encodec Decoder, which allows higher-quality music generation with fewer artifacts. Whistling with the wind blowing. Sirens and a humming engine approach and pass pop dance track with catchy melodies, tropical percussions, and upbeat rhythms, perfect for the beach. easygoing, organic instrumentation, gentle grooves. Also, Google has announced 3 new things you can do with generative AI in search. Get a better understanding through images and videos. When you search for something like tiniest birds of prey, you'll quickly be able to reference what the bird looks like and get relevant information from the web. Get your AI-powered overviews faster. Whether you're simply looking for somewhere to grab lunch nearby or researching something more complex, like how to upgrade your apartment on a budget, we know you want your information quickly. We recently made a major improvement that reduces the time it takes to generate AI overviews by half, and we're continually improving so you'll see even faster responses over time. Learn more when something catches your interest by exploring helpful information on the web with links to search results. This AI influencer charges over $10,000 per Instagram post and has an 8-figure net worth. She's one of a growing list of virtual influencers making millions through social media deals with some of the world's biggest brands, including Dior, Chanel, and Alexander McQueen Few. What a roller coaster of news, right? From GPT-5 to virtual influencers, AI is shaping the world in ways we never imagined. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited, and subscribe for more mind-bending updates. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay tech-savvy,